is represented by Nollywood films. So we need to start producing films in English from northern Nigeria to tell our own stories. And he boosted my morale, he encouraged me. I also approached Abba El Mustafa as my friend. He also encouraged me. I approached more people, but most of them discouraged me. They discouraged me. They said to me, if you make a film in English, nobody will buy it. Because this is northern Nigeria. And our people are used to watching Hausa films. So if you make a film in Hausa, in English, sorry, nobody will buy it. I said, no problem, I'll give it a try. I employed Ilyas. Ilyas is there. Please, Ilyas, stand up. This guy, Ilyas. Ilyas is a script writer. He writes novels in Hausa, and he's also a script writer. I employed him to write a story for me. So he wrote There Is a Way. I gave him the idea, and he wrote There Is a Way. He wrote the screenplay. I gave the script to Malam and some of the stakeholders in Kano. One thing led to another until we were on location. We started shooting the movie. And to cut a long story short, when the film came out, it was the most populous, the most celebrated, okay? The most popular, the most celebrated film in that week. It came out, it attracted all the audience in northern Nigeria and beyond. Somebody told me that when the film was released in 2016 in Lagos, it was all over Lagos. Everyone was watching the film. And secondly, you see these people in southern Nigeria, in the north, they always describe us as illiterate, that we are educationally backward, we are uneducated. We cannot speak English. Talk to any southerner in English. If your English is good, if you speak English fluently, he or she will tell you that you are not a northerner. Because on the plane to Johannesburg, I met a lady. She sat next to me and she said to me, how did you learn to speak English? Because I told her that I was from Kano. I said to her that I had studied English in Kano. And she said, in Kano? You studied in Kano and you can speak English so fluently? I said, yes, I studied at BUK. And she said, we were told that at BUK, people speak either Arabic or Hausa. So that was the second reason, to prove them wrong, to prove a point. The point is that people in northern Nigeria can also speak English. You see, we have scholars in Arabic, in Islam, but to them, these are not scholars. You are only a scholar if you are westernly educated. Say, you see, when the white man came, he found us civilized. But they tend to ignore this fact. If you can't speak English, then you are uncivilized, you are uncultured to them. That's why I was delighted when There Is a Way was released. It was all over Lagos. Lagos was awash with the film. And that notion began to reverse. Now, they know and they testify to the fact that English is used in northern Nigeria. There are educated people, and you see, I wonder, we have highly respected people in northern Nigeria. They say it's only Namasani who can speak English in northern Nigeria. Seriously? That's what they say. Only Namasani can speak English in northern, because they know him. And then when Malam Islamic came, the governor of Central Bank, they said, yeah, this is another one. This is another one. And he said he was educated in Lagos, partly, and they said, no wonder. He can speak English because he was educated in Lagos. He attended his secondary school in Lagos. You see? That's the problem. And that's the second point, the second reason why I ventured into Kano with the aim of producing films in English, but films that reflect on northern Nigeria. Finally, I always tell my students and other people that one of the ways to improve your English is by watching English films.